In this world of stiff competition, students need to strive hard and carve a niche for themselves to stand out. Most students with good intelligence quotient, however, do not get their worth just because of poor language skills. In that case, intelligence coupled with excellent English language skills can equip them to become front runners. Realizing this, the academia now lays stress on developing English proficiency in students during the academic years. This interest has further been spurred by the influx of technology with support from teachers that lends a human touch. Combining the academia's want, need, and the students' benefit, a revolutionary language lab called Wordsworth has emerged that brings together technology, good English content, and expertise in the subject.
Based on the research that has been done on the needs of the English language learner in India, the various aspects towards teaching, the learner needs, the teacher's need in the classroom scenario, all these things were kept in mind, and a very integrated kind of a learning program was created. The interactive sessions among the students during the session with the teacher and among themselves, learning of language, functional language and of grammar made it so fun-filled for the students that the results have been very astonishing. The listening, speaking, reading, writing, the four skills that are covered in any language have been beautifully covered without making it a burden on the child, without making it a very artificial kind of a scenario for the teacher.
Wordsworth is a highly researched initiative of the ACT UNIV Group, an ISO 9001-2008 knowledge resource enterprise with over 2 decades of service in the field of technology education and training. Its proficiency in technology, multimedia and content development has been instrumental in presenting a world-class language lab solution for the academia. Its content has been developed and designed to scale up language skills of learners to match international standards.
While designing the language lab, the Wordsworth team focused on the needs of today's world in the educational scenario. The main focus was on the functional use of language in day-to-day world and the grammar teaching aspects that are covered in the schools.
For effective and constant learning, the lab makes use of the blended learning teaching methodology. This technique effectively combines instructor-led training and computer-based training to enhance the language learning experience.
What happens is that because it is a merge of the ILT and CBT, that is, there are two main components. One is the instructor-led training, the courseware, and the second is the CBT class, that is the computer-based training. So we have sessions in the class also where students in groups are told to come ahead and perform, where they are doing the practical training in the class also as well as in front of the whole class. And when we bring them to the lab, they are doing at their own pace, since each child has one particular PC. So he is working at his own pace, and if a child needs to spend more time on a particular page, then he has that availability, that flexibility, which possibly is not there in classroom teaching.
Apart from that, to boost learning, practice and self-assessment sessions and judicious use of the best elements of technology and training pedagogy have been incorporated. Wordsworth Language Lab generates detailed content that is graded as per age levels to suit the need of students of specific age groups. This content is graphically designed to sustain interest levels, making learning a fun-filled process. It provides the students with adequate practice sessions for proper reinforcement of subject matter. Teachers have the option of creating their own exercises and assessments based on the subject and its difficulty level. Its unique assessment system provides continuous feedback for each student's performance that helps in generating a cumulative result for the student's academic performance and facilitates compliance with the CCE norms of the CBSE.
Grammar concepts covered throughout the program have been designed on the basis of the skill sets identified by the central board. So in a way that whatever is expected at level 3 have been covered succinctly to the point, yet in an exhaustive manner, wherein the teacher has got a lot of teaching material. She really does not need to bring in any other examples or any other aspects to that particular topic.
Interestingly, the lab propagates learning in the play-way manner. Wordsworth is one of the most comprehensive language labs in the country and focuses on English language basics such as pronunciation, vocabulary building, pace of speech, listening and reading skills, comprehension, intonation, removal of mother tongue influence, speech sounds, grammar, fluency and writing skills.
It has greatly improved my pronunciation.
My listening skills are improving day by day, and I am becoming more confident in front of people.
I have learned a lot of new words and my vocabulary has improved a lot.
It helps me to improve my tone and intonation of my speaking.
It's also expanding my vocabulary. It has really helped me improve my diction.
I enjoy the sessions on pronunciation.
I have learned a lot of new words. My vocabulary has improved.
It lays special emphasis on teaching grammar that is in line with the syllabus taught in the school.
I like studying in the Wordsworth English Lab because it is an audio-visual way through which we learn English. It has improved my grammar and my pronunciations.
I actually used to hate grammar, but with Wordsworth, I started loving it.
The grammar also, otherwise found very boring subject in the classrooms, have been done in audio-visual formats where animated themes and stories have been taken, and the learner is able to associate his real life with the examples that have been provided for in the grammar sessions.
The content has rich audio-visual features offering abundant practice and a self-assessment feature to listen, record, compare.
The most interesting part of this experience would definitely be the recording and listening to the speeches.
This language lab provides a very strong controlled learning environment for the students, as they neither can skip exercises nor can they proceed to the next exercise till they have completed the current exercise, giving correct answers to the question, thereby ensuring proper learning. With a host of benefits that the language lab offers, it is of little wonder that more than 2,000 institutes and over 1 million students across the country use the Wordsworth English Language Lab daily.
I feel that the English Language Lab is a great source for those children who do not know English perfectly.
Whenever I hear the word Wordsworth, I feel very enthusiastic and I get very interested as I get to learn new things.
Wordsworth does not undermine the presence and the need of a teacher in the teaching-learning process, and so provides a 2-day comprehensive teachers training program on installation of the lab. To ensure post-installation implementation assistance, Wordsworth has designed in-depth trainer manuals and handy flashcards for teachers for ready reference. To add to the dynamism of the teacher's role in the language learning process, the lab has a very strong teacher's dashboard wherein they can view students' screen, share individual student screens, chat with the students live and through text, share files and resources with the students, and even lock their computers to attain maximum attention of the students during discussions. The lab is also blessed with a huge network of service and technical support that makes the installation process easy. The software is developed using advanced web tools that work on thick as well as thin client, making total cost of ownership of a language lab considerably low. Wordsworth programs are based on the Common European Framework of Reference for Language, CEFR framework, that is a precursor to the other English language tests. Wordsworth is an innovative, comprehensive and user-friendly English digital language lab that provides 360 degrees of learning solutions.
Every school must have an English language lab for improving the English of the children. I think each and every school should have a lab like this because not only we are studying here, we have fun along with it and learn many things.
So here I would emphasize Wordsworth, along with comprehensive English language digital lab, it enables the students to acquire the language.
Welcome Wordsworth English Language Lab in your institute and bring in a positive change to ensure a better future for your students.